Handy. Sailing gear, but on the other end, we're just going to tie a quick bowline. A real fast way to do a bowline, the size of the loop is dependent on how far apart your hands are. Just go like that. Whoops. See there? Hang on to that. Get a bowline. That way, if it gets tight, you can get it undone. Pretty sick. And what we're going to do is put them on her back legs. Hold on up. So this little lovely lady's got a prolapse, or as Granddad used to call it, she's kicked out her calf bed. So I need to get her up a little bit so we can get that uterus out from under her. Don't kick me in the nuts. Okay, hold on to the leg. There we go. Whoa, stay down, darling. I'll put that one on this leg. So we're gonna frog sit her. Like frog stomp, silver chair. Who's in? So there's that one. The other side, which can be harder to get to, we can use the quick release. Come on, girl. Pick up your leg. Show me where the leg. That's on us. We just need that leg here. Hold on. Just be careful this leg doesn't get you. If you want to put that other loop on it, just go. It just clicks on. You just click it on. Then when you need to undo it, you just pull that string.
Yeah, I can.
Because Swanee's a sailor. All right. It's my calf jack. I do a lot of different things with my calf jack. This way we can adjust it if she tries to goes backwards or forwards or what have you. Come on, love. Come on, darling. Get your leg up. Throw it back this way. Okay, we need that uterus over the top of that rope. Thanks, Caitlyn. There we go. There we go. Shucks. She's too close to the fence. Yeah, it's got legs pulled out, and they normally do that. So just get the legs spread out. So that's created a vacuum, which is pretty handy. You got a bucket full of water. Got that drinking can. Wash my gloves off. Hey, Caitlyn. You've done heaps of epidurals, eh? Righto. If you want to pour that, would be all right. If you want, I can get all sorts of dirty. Pretty remarkable creatures, the old cows. I don't think I'd get up for breakfast if this happened to me. This is the cervix, like I was saying. I'll feed that in a second, Caitlyn. I'm just going to show you my tricks. And obviously there's always a little bit of snarf left over after they have a calf, so if it doesn't have to be spotless, just want to get it as clean as we can. Oh, thanks, buddy. Coolio. Then we'll grab some lube. If you want with the red cap or the white red cap, Caitlyn. Hey. So if you want, I'll just kind of show you what I do, Caitlyn. Good. There's the other horn. See up there? That's the normal horn, the non-pregnant horn down in there. Just pour some lube on that for us. I love lube. Alrighty. So the cervix, like if we reach in here, there's the vagina is going about to where my hand is, but it's all inside out. So I start off by just getting the cervix back in. I try to keep all this part up as high as I can. And I go as far as I can with getting the neck of it pushed in. Often there's like all sorts of abdominal fluid and stuff that's kind of filled into it, making it a bit difficult. Sometimes I go on easy, sometimes I don't.
Didn't it hold the bottom off burning?
I think I'm okay. Like it always feels a bit like wrestling an octopus. It's a bit friable. Like an inside-out sock.
I don't know what kind of socks you wear.
Want more lube on that for me, please? She's pretty, not looking so happy, this uterus. She's a bit gray. Hot. I can only but try.
Push it in.
Possibly. Just try not to
hold it.
Yep, keep pushing that. What better way to wrestle an octopus than with two octopuses? So all that fluid that's filled it up overnight is kind of hopefully slowly working its way back into the abdomen.
Yeah.
As we're pushing it in.
Could we put like a big needle in there to drain some of it?
I never do.
Yeah.
You just kind of just keep massaging it in. Astroglide. And just kind of keep pushing your edge into it. Caitlyn, if you want. Where's the inside out there? Right there.
Yeah, just that.
Whoa! Then it's gotta make sure it turns right inside out. So I kind of just reach in there and just go, keep pushing. And then another trick that I've got. So you imagine if it's an inside out sock and it's kind of sitting like this. I'll go on, once I've got it in, and I'll grab the cervix and I'll shake it. So that hopefully, like shaking a sock out, you know, when you take it off.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully it turns it. So I've got my hands in there around the cervix. I'm just going in and out. I've created a vacuum in there, so it should want to come inside out. Reaching it as far as I can. I just need an extension. Stretch my arm a little bit longer. Wine bottle works pretty good, but penicillin bottle will do. If you don't get it all the way inside back, turned around, it'll come rolling back out of there. Cool beans. I'll give her a shot of oxytocin, some antibiotics, some anti-inflammatories, and a couple quick prayers, and it should be good. Thanks, Dr. Caitlyn.